20 facts about centrifugal pump. 1. A centrifugal pump is a mechanical device used to transport fluids by converting rotational energy from an engine or electric motor into kinetic energy in the fluid. 2. It works on the principle of centrifugal force, which is created by the rotation of an impeller within the pump casing. 3. The impeller is a rotating component of the pump that is responsible for generating the centrifugal force required to move the fluid. 4. Centrifugal pumps are widely used in industries such as oil and gas, water treatment, chemical processing, and food and beverage production. 5. They are also used in residential and commercial applications, such as swimming pool filtration systems and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. 6. Centrifugal pumps come in many different sizes and designs, ranging from small, portable units to large industrial machines. 7. The main components of a centrifugal pump include the impeller, casing, shaft, bearings, and mechanical seals. 8. The impeller is typically made of metal, plastic, or other materials and has curved blades that spin rapidly, creating a low-pressure zone that draws fluid into the pump. 9. The casing is the outer shell of the pump and is typically made of metal, plastic, or other materials. 10. The shaft connects the impeller to the motor or engine and is responsible for transmitting rotational energy to the impeller. 11. Bearings are used to support the shaft and allow it to rotate freely. 12. Mechanical seals are used to prevent fluid from leaking out of the pump at the point where the shaft enters the casing. 13. Centrifugal pumps are classified based on their design, including single-stage, multi-stage, and submersible pumps. 14. Single-stage pumps have one impeller and are typically used for low-pressure applications, while multi-stage pumps have multiple impellers and can handle higher pressures. 15. Submersible pumps are designed to be submerged in the fluid they are pumping and are commonly used for drainage, sewage, and irrigation applications. 16. Centrifugal pumps are typically more efficient at higher flow rates and lower pressures, while positive displacement pumps are more efficient at low flow rates and high pressures. 17. Cavitation is a common problem in centrifugal pumps that occurs when the pressure inside the pump drops below the vapor pressure of the fluid, causing bubbles to form and collapse, which can damage the impeller and other components. 18. Centrifugal pumps can be driven by electric motors, internal combustion engines, or steam turbines. 19. Maintenance of centrifugal pumps typically involves inspecting and replacing worn or damaged components, monitoring fluid levels and pressures, and cleaning the impeller and casing. 20. Proper installation, operation, and maintenance of centrifugal pumps are critical to ensuring their safe and efficient operation and minimizing downtime and repair costs.